How to change touch sensitivity on Android phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can turn on or off your touch sensitivity on Android device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your settings application. At this page, tap on to display. Here, scroll at the bottom, then you will see touch sensitivity. Make sure that you toggle it off or on as per your wish. You can increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. And this is how you toggle it on or off touch sensitivity for your screen. Now, in case you don't find the sensitivity option, head over to your settings page and search for touch sensitivity. And then you will be able to find the touch sensitivity option. Make sure you toggle it on. That is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.